Hello friends, how are you all? As you know, I'm Mubin and you are watching Technical Zamana. Today my video is about how to put thumbnail in your video. So let's start. Please subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon so you can get my videos notified. First, you will go to Google and install YouTube Studio. So in the first you can see it and install this app. I've installed it. I'm opening direct. So right now it's opened. So there are watch times, views, subscribers, change your estimated revenue, and also subscribers. So drag down it. Over there you can see videos. This was my first video in our home. So click this video and over there you can see like pencil type. Click this. So over there you can see edit thumbnail. Click it. So now you can put with your choice thumbnail and select it. So and save this. That was my today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, press bell icon so you can get my videos notification.